Alright, guys. No video for the, weeks or whatever. However, this can be uploaded as a YouTube short, I believe. I have Ruffles Double Crunch Hot Wing Flavor. I need to make this quick so it can fit into a YouTube short. Here's the caloric information for anybody on a diet. Let's chase the buzz. Holy fuck. Alright, that's rough. It says they're double crunch. What that can mean, I don't know. Guys are kind of bust, dude. Kind of fuck with it, dude. It kind of fucks with it. If you can find this at your local dollar store, I recommend highly. Thank you.